Imagine waking up one morning to a sky you don't recognize. The sun is gone, replaced by a dark void surrounded by a glowing, swirling halo. Scientists say the unthinkable has happened. The sun has collapsed into a black hole, and somehow, Earth is still in orbit. No one understands how we're alive. But for now, the temperature remains stable, as if the laws of physics are holding their breath. At first, people marvel at the beauty. The night sky is a constant spectacle of bending starlight, a shimmering ring of color that seems to pulse with every heartbeat. Telescopes capture impossible images, galaxies twisted like ribbons, light curving into spirals. It's breathtaking, until the strange effects begin. Streetlights flicker even when unplugged, compasses spin wildly, time itself feels off, clocks run slower, or faster, depending on where you stand. Days and nights blur together because there's no sun to rise or set. People start to experience moments that feel repeated, as if reality stutters. You pour a cup of water and watch it hang midair for a second before falling. Some swear they hear whispers, deep, mechanical murmurs from the sky, like the black hole is alive and calling. Governments try to maintain order. They launch expeditions to study the phenomenon, sending satellites toward the event horizon. None return. But then, one transmission breaks through the static, a single phrase, distorted but unmistakable. It's not pulling us in, it's keeping us here. The words ignite global paranoia. What does that mean? Some believe the black hole is sentient, that it's holding Earth in place intentionally, like a spider preserving its prey. Others say it's a natural anomaly, a cosmic accident we were never meant to survive. But survival becomes complicated when the gravitational waves begin to interfere with human biology. People near the equator start to feel heavier, as if gravity itself is changing. Meanwhile, those near the poles report floating objects, pebbles, dust, even droplets of water suspended midair. Hospitals fill with patients complaining of distorted perception. They see flashes of their own memories hanging in the air, as if time itself is unraveling around them. Then come the shadows. They appear where no light should cast them, on walls, on faces, on the ground beneath your feet. Even in complete darkness, they move on their own. Cameras can't capture them, but everyone sees them. Some say the shadows are reflections of other timelines, bleeding into ours. A month after Earth's new orbit stabilizes, the black hole pulses once, the light ring brightens dramatically, and the ground trembles. Every screen on the planet turns black for a full minute. When they flicker back on, all digital devices show the same countdown: midnight, one day. No one knows what it means. Scientists predict it might be a gravitational event, maybe an eruption of cosmic radiation. But there's another theory, one that spreads across the internet like wildfire. What if the black hole isn't a natural object at all, but a gateway? As the countdown ticks closer to zero, people begin vanishing, not dying, just fading away. Surveillance footage shows them dissolving into shimmering outlines, pulled upward into the sky. Families disappear mid-conversation. Cities fall silent. When the clock reaches zero, the remaining few watch as the sky cracks open with a silent flash. The black hole expands, swallowing stars, then contracts to a single, blinding point, and then everything stops. No sound, no motion, just stillness. And then, light. The sun returns, warm and golden, as if nothing ever happened. Clocks resume ticking. Gravity feels normal again. Birds sing. It's as though the nightmare was erased from existence. But one thing has changed. Every human wakes up with the same memory of standing before the black hole, staring into it, and hearing a voice whisper in their mind, "Now you know what's watching." For weeks, no one talks about it, but scientists find something impossible. In every direction of the night sky, where the black hole used to be, there's now an afterimage, a faint ring of light, like a cosmic scar. It doesn't move, it just hovers there, glowing faintly, watching. And sometimes, when the world grows quiet, it pulses.